Hi everyone, I'm Cameron with Amazon Studios, and today we're going to be covering how to image clear and white products using the Amazon Basics Portable Photo Studio. We will also be using Amazon Seller app for demonstration purposes, but you can use any type of capture device you may have on hand. One of the more common difficulties in product photography is imaging white or clear products on a white background. We've created some really helpful tools to elevate your images. Again, you can use any capture device you wish, but we will be demoing with the Seller app due to its innovative approach for background removal. The only downside is that using the app, it can cause some issues with clear and white products, so it's important that we demo it for you. You will also need black cards. They can be made of almost anything, but we typically use foam core, which is an industry standard. Also be sure to procure some small clamps. I have a few 1-inch clamps, as well as some medium-sized binder clamps to help me. Now, to get your black cards to stand up, simply place the clamp at the bottom like so. Why are we introducing black cards to begin with? Well, let me show you. As I bring the card closer and closer to the product, an edge appears, creating a nice separation from the background. And with practice, you'll be able to quickly and easily create nice edging. As mentioned before, you can see here, the Seller app automatically attempts to remove the background, but it's removing some of the product's edge. So what should you do? We suggest using the slider to lower the exposure, and just don't worry about the background at this time. Let a retouch service go ahead and remove that for you. If you're not using the Seller app and instead using the basic camera on your phone, adjust the exposure slider as necessary. And again, use black cards to bring an edge back to the product. Same techniques apply to clear products as well. You'll still need to have the background removed, and it's generally done so with software such as Photoshop. If you have it, feel free to use it. Otherwise, we recommend seeking out the help of retouch services. Here's the final comparison. The retouched image on the left is without black cards. The retouched image on the right is with black cards. We realize this is one of the more difficult photography scenarios to get right, so if you have questions, please leave a comment in the below section, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.